Hello everyone, I am Dr. Tanmoy Biswas. I welcome you all in my YouTube channel TanmoyChem and Facebook page Chemistry the Mystery of Molecules. Today's topic of discussion is an interesting but easy question. That's why I request everyone please pause the video, try by yourself, and whatever answer you get please write in the comment box along with few words as explanation. I believe we have tried, so let's start. Now the question: what is the major product of these reaction? So this is the alcohol derivative in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid heat. What is the product? Now before going to the details, let's learn the concept associated with this process. Alcohols can undergo dehydration in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid to produce either ether or alkene, and ether means symmetrical ether, obviously depending on the reaction condition. Sulfuric acid being a very strong acid, its target is to donate proton to somewhere else or someone else. Means it will release or donate proton and someone will accept proton, and in this case this alcoholic OH will accept the proton. And obviously later on it will produce carbocation, and those carbocation can undergo elimination to produce alkene or rearrangement to produce more stable carbocation. And here we are talking about deuterium, means this is the isotope of hydrogen. And in this case the isotope have almost similar chemical properties but different physical properties, because these isotopes have different mass, neutron number. Now with this knowledge, let's go to the next part. Look at here, this is the alcohol. So sulfuric acid being a very strong acid, so it will protonate. Protonate means this OH into OH2 plus. Now next step, what do you expect? That there will be elimination of water to produce a carbocation, this one. And if you look at this carbocation is primary carbocation. We have studied that primary carbocation is lesser stable compared to secondary, which is lesser stable compared to tertiary. So what can happen? So here one hydrogen atom can migrate with its bond pair. So you can say, sir, the next step, which is actually 1, 2 adjacent hydride shift, and here the hydrogen is actually migrating with its lone pair, means 2 electrons. So that's why these positive charge will be neutralized by 2 electron on hydrogen, but this carbon will have a positive charge, means from a primary carbocation we shall end up a secondary carbocation, and obviously secondary carbocation is comparatively more stable compared to primary. So that is the driving force or reason why this step happens. Now obviously what can happen? These positive charge could be neutralized by elimination reaction. What can happen? From here one hydrogen can come out, or from here one deuterium can come out. So what can happen? From this left step you can expect that minus of D plus, means deuterium plus will come out to produce this alkene, and right step minus of H plus, means proton elimination happens to produce this alkene. So we shall get mixture of these two products. Now look at the options. This option A and option C combination. So but if you look at option D, both A and C, whether when such kind of question we get overwhelmed. Okay, we expected this product, so it is. We do not read others. Please do not make this mistake. Read all the options and finally decide. Now this is the overall discussion. If you get this question in your exam hall less than 30 seconds, how could you solve? First you understand that okay, there will be protonation, carbocation formation from primary to secondary possible, and both side elimination. So obviously this two mixture will be the product. So this is the overall discussion. Thanks for watching, and if you really enjoy the content, please share among your friends. See you in the next video. Bye bye.